tell us the significance of having a chart, an official chart in the countries such as the Philippines na marami nakikinig over streaming services?
I think yung maganda sa official charts is nakikita nyo kung ano yung pinapakinggan ng mga tao ngayon, lalo na yung mga bago. And grabe ngayon, napakaraming bagong napakagagaling na artists. And I think charts help fire up people's support for original Filipino music. And that's why malaking tulong talaga siya.
Could you just talk about the state of OPM right now? A lot of acts, a lot of beautiful acts such as yourself and others. What are your thoughts about it?
The state of OPM right now is it's so diverse and magnificent in every way. Sa bawat isang genre, sa bawat isang tunog, talagang napaka-sarap. Kumbaga para siyang halo-halo. At we're happy to be a part of a movement of artists na talagang patuloy lang gumagawa ng music and really trying to break the boundaries of where OPM can go.
For showbiz naman, gusto naman po ang Valentine's Day.
Ay, nako. Valentine's daw.
Nasa showtime tayo nun.
Celebrate tayo together as a group.
Oh. Nag-celebrate kami together as a group nung Valentine's Day. Kasi hinaranahan namin yung mga
Madlang people.
at kami yung ka-Valentines nila.
Last question, one word to describe OPM.
Ooh.
Halo-halo.
Ganda.
Kasi iba-ibang sangkap pero
Masarap.
masarap.
Yeah.
Let's go.